Welcome back to my channel Chef Bro. So today I'm going to be making a very thandi delicious recipe. Yes, this is a kulfi recipe. So I've taken some badam and some kaju, some amul spray, a packet of milk and some condensed milk. You need a can of condensed milk and this is going to be amazing. So with the badam and the milk powder, I've made a nice paste. Then we're going to be putting up our pan, our kadai, put the milk in it and then stir it up. Don't boil it, stir it up so that it doesn't turn thick. Then you have to add your can of condensed milk and then you keep stirring it, 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 just keep on. Then add about 6 to 7 kesars in this, and this is pure kesar because use the original kesar, trust me guys, it gives a good color. And then I've added the powder after the milk started boiling, but don't let it boil, you have to mix it and let it boil, understood guys? Then add the powder and mix it up. This recipe is so easy. I was so overwhelmed after trying this recipe, and this recipe my mother has taught me. She had made this for me once and I said, wow mom, this is like crazy, how do you make it? That's why I'm sharing this recipe with you. So as you can see, it's turning thick and it will keep turning thick, and the kesar has also given a good color. After that you take it out, cool it a bit because you don't put it hot, okay? It'll go in the freezer as you know. So cool it. Then we're going to be taking our molds. So I've taken a few plastic cups here which we get in a shop very easily, a Modi shop, and I've taken two kulfi molds. Yes, two kulfi molds I had. So I've taken two kulfi molds. Now we're going to be filling the kulfi, what do you call it? The kulfi batter, the kulfi base. And as you know, I really like using things in a different way. So that's why instead of using ice cream sticks, I have taken some foil to cover it first of all. And I have taken some spoons. Yes guys, spoons. So I've broken the spoon front part which we eat from and I put it in because this was very fun to do, and I really like doing kinds of things like this instead of buying some ice cream sticks. So now I'm doing the same with each and every cup, and trust me guys, once you eat this, oh my god, my mouth is filled with water. That savory kulfi in the mouth, and oh, it's just wonderful guys, wonderful. Then you have to take it out from the freezer after 5 to 6 hours. If you want, you could leave it overnight also. I suggest you leave it overnight. Then you're going to be massaging it a bit, massage, and then it will come out nicely, otherwise it's going to break. Then add your dry fruits, and the recipe is ready. Thank you for watching. See you next time.